If you want to completely uninstall DaVinci Resolve from your Windows PC and make sure you remove every leftover file too, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. This is the best method if you're trying to free up space, fix installation issues, or simply remove Blackmagic software from your computer for good. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, we're going to start with the main uninstall process. Press the Start key on your keyboard and type Add or Remove Programs. You can also just type DaVinci if that's easier. Once the apps list appears, look for DaVinci Resolve in the Installed Apps section. You can use the search bar if you have a long list of programs installed, which makes it much faster to find. When you see DaVinci Resolve, click the three dots on the right side of the entry. A small menu will open, and from there choose Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove the application, so click Uninstall again on the pop-up. After that, if the User Account Control window appears, click Yes to allow Windows to make changes. This permission is required so the uninstaller can run properly. Now wait while the uninstall process finishes. Depending on your system, it may take a little time for DaVinci Resolve to fully remove itself. Once the main app is gone, don't stop there, because there are usually extra components left behind. Go back to your apps list and check for anything else related to Blackmagic Design. Look specifically for items like DaVinci Resolve Control Panels or Blackmagic RAW Player. These are separate components, and they can stay on your computer even after the main program is uninstalled. For each one you find, click the three dots, choose Uninstall, and confirm the process the same way as before. This step is important if you want to completely clear out the software and avoid leftover pieces taking up space on your drive. Once the app and its related components are removed, the next step is to clean up any remaining folders manually. Sometimes uninstalled programs leave behind files, settings, or cache data, and if you want a truly clean removal, you want to delete those too. Start with the Program Files location. Open File Explorer and go to C, Program Files, Blackmagic Design. If that folder is still there, delete the entire Blackmagic Design folder. This is where a lot of the main program files can remain after uninstalling, so removing it helps clear out the leftover installation data. Next, we're going to remove the settings files from AppData. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type %appdata% and press Enter. This will open the roaming folder. From there, go back one folder to Local, or directly navigate to AppData/Local if needed. Then look for the Blackmagic Design folder and delete that. This helps remove stored settings and local application data. After that, we'll clean the ProgramData folder. Again, press Windows key plus R, type %ProgramData% and press Enter. When the folder opens, find the Blackmagic Design folder there as well and delete that. This location often contains cache files and logs, so removing it helps finish the cleanup properly. At this point, DaVinci Resolve and its related leftover files should be fully removed from your computer. If you don't see any Blackmagic Design folders left behind, then you've completed a full uninstall successfully. Just remember, if you ever plan to reinstall later, you can always download the latest version directly from the official Blackmagic Design website. If this video helped you completely uninstall DaVinci Resolve, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more useful tutorials, and check out my other Windows software guides for more step-by-step help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.